Ambitious design to me would be to design freely and without limitation. When we slow down, we have time to take in our environment and to look around and see more. I think it's important to allow yourself time. We can't always be on, and we need to have rest to bring more ideas. I started Rowson Kitchens with my husband Brad in 2009. We are a boutique custom joinery business located in New Plymouth. I do the key design and he is in charge of manufacturing alongside our 3 joiners. We wanted to focus on quality over quantity. Our kitchens are very bespoke, and while they're all unique and individual, there is a degree of design elements that I think reflect our style, which is offering very textured, elegant and timeless spaces. I find inspiration in changing my environment. I'm inspired by nature and I spend a lot of time outdoors. The different textures that you see within nature, the light and the sound and the smell. I'm a big fan of brutalist architecture and mid-century design. Texture features quite predominantly in all of my design. These key elements are often featured throughout my kitchens. You can also see that with the material application of heavily textured spaces and also natural materials, including timber veneers and natural stone. I like using timber in my designs for the texture that it offers and natural element it brings to our spaces. It also offers warmth and depth. I enjoy working with curves in a lot of my designs. I like using the VidaSpace veneers and the leaves to help work with those curves. I love the selection of both the textures and tones that they offer within their ranges, and obviously the quality of their product as well. Design can be quite serious at times, and I do believe it's really important to be playful. Think outside the square a little bit more and to not be so rigid. Let ideas develop and flow, and sometimes they can be great and other times they might need a little bit of work, but it's important to allow that process and to stop when you need to and to rest when you need to. I thoroughly enjoy the challenge of material applications and trying to achieve designs and techniques that haven't been done before. I want to create interesting, bespoke spaces that are unique, but also timeless. Winning Kitchen of the Year was really special to us because I think it's really neat for people to see that you can do great things from small regions. My main source of inspiration, it came about by squishing 3 marshmallows together and looking at the form. I think it's really important to just continue driving for innovation. We're always learning, so you can look at a space and you can see an application like an electrical hot point and think that's not very aesthetically pleasing, how can we refine it? And then when you start to question design elements and techniques, you start to find yourself delving more into what could be achieved. I think it's important to be brave and to not be afraid to push material boundaries or applications and to not take no for an answer. Be confident and comfortable in challenging and pushing back, saying why not or how can we, instead of accepting no as the only option.